Hello everyone, I am Tarun Thapa, table tennis coach at Dasan World School. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your homes. Now today I have come up with a new video of table tennis in which I am going to tell you a skill that is called the forehand rally. The forehand rally is a very basic stroke of table tennis, and in this video I am going to show you how a beginner starts with the rally. And in this video, side by side, I am just going to explain you how the whole body works out while doing the rally. Okay, now firstly you have to rotate your body to the right from your hips. Bat angle should be close a little bit. Your body weight should be shifting on from back foot to the front foot. The arm will move forward with the body. Accelerate the forearm slightly as you make contact with the ball. And lastly, you have to get back to the position from where you started.